guys, welcome to a new video. So in this video I'll be doing an unboxing Elite 65T. It's a premium headphones. It's priced around 9,000 rupees on Amazon. It was launched in 2018 and it was the price of 15k. You can get it for 9k. So for that price it's really a good pair of two wireless headsets. Now without further delays, let's get the So now that we're done with unboxing, now I can see the headphones. It looks good, the fit is good. It doesn't have an active noise cancellation, it has a passive noise cancellation. It has got a good noise isolation, good fit in the ears, so it blocks external noise. And so a lot of features, a lot of cool features that makes it a premium pair of headphones. It's my third TWS headset, and the reason why I went for the third one is the main positives of this device, which is call. I do a lot of calls as part of my job, so around 4 to 5 hours call I make per day. I had to switch to a decent pair of TWS. That's the reason I went for a device like this. And to be very frank, I'm impressed. The audio quality over the mic, the mic quality, the audio quality, both are exceptionally good. And the battery life is not as good as Ant Audio, which is a beast when it comes to battery life. You can easily get 7 to 8 hours of battery life in a single charge, but this can give you 5.5 to 6 hours for continuous music or video playback. But when it comes to phone calls, you can get a full day. You can get a full day battery life, like a standby time. But if you check the calling hours, it will be 3.5 to around 4 hours of call timing. The reason why the battery life is poor compared to that normal audio quality is because there's a lot of features like side load or something. Side load. Forgot the exact term. Basically like a noise pass through here through mode for calls. That is when you're making a call using the device, you can hear the caller, your own voice along with the caller. I've got 4 mics, like two for each headphone. Noise cancellation mics. That is amazing. And when it comes to audio quality, it's awesome. It's truly a premium pair of headsets when it comes to audio quality. There's no competition there. I'm using a Sony wired headphones, and it can even match up with that in terms of audio quality.
The next interesting feature of this headphone is the dual pairing, which is extremely useful, especially when you are working with multiple devices at once. You can pair it to a total of 8 devices and 2 at a time. You can seamlessly switch between the connected devices with ease. As you can see now, I am working with 2 devices. I connected both my laptop and mobile phone, and I was editing a video with this headphone. And I got a call, and without any pairing required, I can just directly switch to the mobile phone so that I can take the call and continue with the workflow. That is really impressive.
And most importantly, I love the switch buttons it comes with. So in the right earbuds you have a single button which helps you take calls, start music, pause music, etc. In the left earbuds you got 2 buttons. One is for on top and bottom, and the top button, that is the one in the top section, will use to adjust the volumes, change the track, and the bottom one reduce the volumes. And also this one, if you press and hold it for some time, you can activate the voice assistant. So when it comes to buttons, is awesome. I've never used a headphone which has a volume adjustment keys in the earphone itself. That's really a welcoming feature, and that too in 2018. So when it comes to audio quality, I'm impressed. Mic quality, I'm super impressed. Like call quality, then features, which all I'm impressed. And the application comes with, it's feature loaded, like hear through feature, then call side load, then so hear through is nothing but the noise pass through, which used by other premium headphones like Apple. You won't feel isolated. Like if you're walking around a street with this on, you can hear the street noise, just to ensure that you're safe. Because I've been using my old like TWS QC-Y, and it's good actually. It's actually a good sound quality, good noise isolation. But the thing is that if I use it for walking in the streets, you won't hear. You can't hear the vehicles honking. You can't hear someone calling you from behind. So that's a problem. But this actually, what it does is it records the environment noise and plays back to you, so that you can use the earphone all time in your ears, but you can have a glimpse on what's happening around. So that is a great feature, but that consumes battery. It's not like, because it's recording the voice and then playing it, so it is a battery consuming feature. But hey, it does a job yet. Because I can have my earphone continuously, I can take calls whenever I want, and still I'm not isolated from the outside world. So that is a really, really good feature. I'm impressed with that. And now we'll talk about some negatives which I don't like about the device. Every TWS 2 wireless headsets comes with a charging case. So it has one. Compared to for the price you're paying and the ones I had earlier, I'm not a great fan of this one. First thing is that it comes with a micro USB, so it is 2018 launch device, so you could have given a Type-C and no wireless charging. Another one thing I'm really pissed off with this is no magnets to hold the headphones here. See, I can put it here and no magnets, it just comes off like that. So that simple things you can just you can pay attention and make it better. So that is a big problem. And you can charge your device twice, which is low, to be very frank. I would be expecting much more. So that I'm not impressed with the box. Unlike the headphones I'm really impressed, but this one I'm not at all. It could have been, I believe the new one is actually much smaller box with much better, much higher juice. So the battery life of this and the ergonomics and the lack of magnets and lack of Type-C, lack of wireless charging, I'm not impressed with those things. So you have your cables, but still it's nitpicking, but it's not a cheap headphones, like a premium headphones in all means when it comes to cost, the brand, everything. So I'm expecting something good here, but the ultimate audio quality experience and call experience is fine. So the purpose of this, which I was looking for, was delivered without a problem. So I'm happy with that, and I won't be looking for anything else for more than a year or two, because it comes with IP57, I believe. So it comes with what is it? I think it's IP57 as per the online reviews. I don't see it here actually. Yeah, and it comes with 2 years dust and water resistant warranty. That is. So that's it about the headphones, guys. The features, quality, the things I love, the things I don't love, and the unboxing you just saw. And my final wordings is that for this price you're paying, if you're looking for just audio quality and mic quality, no brainer. You can just go for that right away. The newer ones are expensive, like 15K, like 17K. I'm not sure exact pricing as per the time of the video. So you can go for this if you want something like for around less than 10K. But okay, you missed some features which, as we are in 2021 right now, like wireless charging, Type-C, then magnetic casing, which I had it in my QC-Y, which I bought 2 years back. So that is really missing feature. I really feel that. And the headphones are really good, except the battery life is not bad actually. It's 5 hours, really solid, but I would expect something more actually. So when it comes to calling, with all the features loaded, it could have been added some more juice. Like for normal watching videos and normal call music, it's perfectly fine, no problems. I'm really impressed with that. So that's about the video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So until see you next video, bye.